Picture yourself relaxing by the beach, and suddenly you receive a notification informing you that you've just turned $40. But that's not all. There's an amazing opportunity I want to share with you today. By utilizing a fully automated video program, you can earn another $40 effortlessly, and this program requires no special skills or technical knowledge. It's 100% free, and I'm certain you'll love it. Before we proceed, go to Bing.com, a search engine similar to Google, where you can look up different information online. The next step is to enter the word articles into the search box on Microsoft Bing. The search engine will then automatically display various articles based on your search terms. Take a look at the search results for the term article and click on different articles to explore them further. Let's use one of these articles as an example. Read through the entire article found on Bing by scrolling down. For the second step, we'll explore the website soar.com. This step will enable you to earn money by writing and submitting articles on this platform. However, there's no need to worry about writing the articles yourself. In today's video, I will show you a method to easily copy and paste other people's Bing articles. By doing this, you can receive payment from soar.com without having to write any articles from scratch. This method does not require any special skills or fluent English speaking abilities, making it an excellent opportunity for anyone. This unique and untapped method offers numerous options to earn money online just by writing articles. soar.com will reward you for your efforts, and I'll guide you through the process of creating a free account. You'll learn how to use Microsoft Bing to earn your first $40, and I'll also show you how to get paid without even writing anything. Before that, let me introduce you to Concord.io, another platform where you can make money from free Bing articles. When you search for content creation, you'll discover more opportunities to earn money online through Bing articles. Keep in mind that Concord.io pays slightly less than soar.com for copying and pasting Bing articles. You can sign up on both soar.com and Concord.io to start earning money. In Step 3, you'll find various news stories and articles on the Bing platform by visiting their homepage and selecting News from the menu accessible through the three small dots. The categories usually include politics, health, or news and entertainment, representing the newest and trendiest content. In the news section, you'll find numerous discussed issues and topics. You can gather a wealth of ideas for articles by copying and pasting from the business category on the Bing website. For a specific focus on business articles, you can explore anyarticles.com, where you'll discover copyright-free content that you can use as your own. These articles can be found in the business category without any copyright or plagiarism concerns. Each article is a well-written, finished piece that you can sell on platforms like Concur and SEO Clerks, with a small tweak that I'll explain shortly. Before we proceed further, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel, as it greatly supports us. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our videos. Your comments are also appreciated, and we may respond to some. Now let's move on. As I mentioned earlier, there's another website where you can access thousands of free articles to sell on Concur and SEO Clerks. However, you can't merely copy and paste these articles, as they won't sell. To address this, I'll share a specific technique and free software that can transform these articles into fresh, original content. By using this method, you can copy and paste Bing articles and earn money on Concur and SEO Clerks. For instance, when you click on an article, it will direct you to a website where you can copy and paste the entire content. To achieve this, you'll need to use a free program called Prepost.com. Once you're on the website, scroll down until you find Article Rereader. There, you can paste the content into the box, and the software will automatically rewrite the entire article, giving it a unique tone. After copying the content from the article, paste it into the designated box in the software. You'll notice the word count and language options, and then click the green Rewrite Article button. The software will swiftly rewrite the content, providing a fresh and entirely different version of the article within seconds. The highlighted sentences represent all the adjustments made using this free program. With its help, you can effortlessly copy and paste the brand new Bing article. To get started, click the Join button at the top of SEO Clerk's website. Create a free account by providing your name, username, email address, and password. Once signed up, the process for the second website, Concur, is also similar. Click the Join button, enter the required information, and press the green Sign Up button. You don't need any experience or effort. Simply go to Isini Articles and explore various bin categories to find articles you can copy and paste. For example, you can delve into business, entertainment, or news categories and select every word to copy the entire article. Paste it into the pre-post SEO software, click the rewrite button, and the content will be transformed into a completely new and original version. This lesser-known method is highly recommended for beginners looking to earn extra money effortlessly. If you want to make even more money every single day, make sure to check out this strategy and enjoy the earnings. Thank you for watching today's video, and a special thanks. We hope you enjoyed today's video, and we look forward to making more. Have a fantastic rest of the week.